Good morning from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have amazing Friday morning here, absolutely amazing. I'll show you the weather. The video is about weather here. Warm, absolutely pleasant. Ten o'clock, around 19-20 degrees, expecting 23 today. Let's go to Playa Martianes. And the fountain is working. You cannot feel the smell of this tree, but it's amazing. Charge your batteries with our sun. This is warm sun. We are late to see surfer sections. They come earlier here. This is new here, another fountain, finally working again. This is a special fountain because this beach is without shower, so surfers use this fountain to clean up their boards. Around the watchtower. Reminds me Jimi Hendrix's version. Have a beautiful 13th of December, Friday. Best wishes from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.
Ya está, ya.